We live in a world that is drowning in data. Every single day, humans create more than 400 exabytes of data. That's a 4 followed by 20 zeros. To give you perspective, that's like every person on earth producing over 200 GB of data daily. But here's the problem. Raw data by itself is messy and chaotic. Back in 2017, Gartner reported that 85% of big data projects failed. Why? Because companies had the data but they didn't have the right infrastructure to use it. And that's exactly where data engineers come in. Meet Ryan, he's a data engineer. Let's see how a day in his life looks like while he works on building and maintaining data systems for an e-commerce company. Ryan's work starts with a problem that may not sound glamorous but is absolutely critical: making sure data flows properly. Imagine thousands of orders coming in every minute: payments, delivery addresses, customer details, product IDs. If this data is scattered, incomplete, or unreliable, the company cannot make smart decisions. That's where Ryan comes in. The first thing Ryan focuses on is data pipelines. You can think of him as a digital plumber. Instead of moving water, he moves data. He builds pipelines that take raw data from different sources like apps, websites, payment systems, or even IoT sensors and make sure it travels smoothly to a central place. This process is called ETL, that is extract, transform, and load. In the extract stage, Ryan pulls data from all the company's systems: order management, payment gateways, warehouse trackers, and marketing tools. In the transform stage, he cleans it up. Dates are standardized, duplicate orders are removed, and missing values are fixed. And finally, he loads it into a data warehouse or data lake where analysts, business teams, and data scientists can use it. Now, Ryan's role doesn't just stop with building pipeline. He also monitors it daily. Think of it like a highway. If one lane is blocked, traffic piles up. Similarly, if a pipeline breaks, dashboards stop updating, machine learning models fail, and business leaders lose visibility. Ryan makes sure everything runs smoothly and fixes the issues before they cause chaos. Another important part of Ryan's work is scaling systems. Today, the company may process a few gigabytes of data, but as it grows, this can easily turn into terabytes and even petabytes. Ryan designs the infrastructure so that the system never crashes, no matter how much the business expands. To do all this, Ryan relies on a toolkit of technologies. He writes code in SQL and Python almost every day. He works with databases, relational ones like MySQL and NoSQL ones like MongoDB or Cassandra. For processing massive amounts of data, he uses tools like Apache Spark and Hadoop. For real-time data streams, he uses Apache Kafka. And to automate and schedule pipelines, he uses Apache Airflow. Since most companies today rely on cloud infrastructure, Ryan also works with AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud to store and process the data securely. Now, you might be wondering, how is Ryan's work different from a data scientist? Here's an easy way to picture it. Ryan builds the road and the data scientist drives the car. Without a smooth, clean road, no matter how good the car is, it cannot reach the destination. Similarly, without Ryan's pipelines, clean data sets, and reliable systems, a data scientist cannot run models or deliver insights. Ryan's role is not always in the spotlight, but it's the backbone of the data world. Without data engineering, all the flashy dashboards, AI models, and predictions you see would never exist. So to sum it up, data engineers like Ryan make sure that data is accessible, reliable, and usable. They refine raw data into something valuable, much like how crude oil needs to be refined before it becomes fuel. If you enjoy solving problems, working with technology, and building systems that silently power the digital world, then data engineering could be the perfect career path for you. Thanks for watching. Comment below the next topic you'd like us to explain, and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos.